Now at 4, we're about 8 hours away from the moment Kansas City officially goes under a stay-at-home order. Stores are already closing in anticipation. And in just 30 minutes, we expect to hear from the president regarding this pandemic. Now, as of 4 p.m., we know there are almost 374,000 cases of coronavirus around the world. Out of those cases, there have been more than 16,000 deaths. That's all according to Johns Hopkins Coronavirus Live Map. And in the United States at this point, there are now more than 42,000 cases with 573 deaths. Now in Kansas and Missouri, there have been 6 deaths combined in the two states. 184 cases reported in Missouri, about 70 in Kansas. And this virus doesn't seem to be slowing for anyone. City officials came together today here in Kansas City for an update on this response to a crisis. KCTV5's Amy Anderson was there as leaders tried to answer some of those commonly asked questions. Amy, these are definitely confusing times.
They really are. And there are so many questions they're getting. But he says the message today, very simple. He wants everyone to just act responsibly. Kansas City, Missouri Police Chief Rick Smith reiterating today that we are all in this together. This is uncharted territory for all of us. He, along with the Kansas City Fire Chief and Emergency Management Director, said this is all new for all of us. And they have been getting inundated with questions from people because it is so confusing. One of the areas they're getting a lot of questions about focus on the stay-at-home orders and the perception that officers are going to be out trying to catch people who shouldn't be out of their homes.
We will not be stopping people to ask for papers if they're going to work, or stopping cars and asking them where they're going and how they're getting there. I think what everyone needs to realize here is the orders in place that we try and stop the spread of a virus.
And Chief Smith is also asking people to just call 311 if you need something, unless it is a medical emergency or an urgent criminal matter. Don't call 911 right now. They really need to keep those lines open. So as they go along, Carolyn, he says he wants to just be able to answer people's questions, and he says he's getting tons of them every single day. Reporting live tonight in Kansas City, Missouri, Amy Anderson, KCTV5 News.
Definitely a time we've never seen before. Amy, thank you for that update.